Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my home healthcare agency business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll dive into the home healthcare agency business plan template. I'll show you the Word document which contains the business plan template itself, and I'll also introduce you all to the Excel file, which is the financial model. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the Home Healthcare Agency Business Plan template. So in the template, when you do purchase it, or if you do purchase it, it does come with a Word document which contains the actual business plan template itself. And then it also comes with an Excel file, which is the financial model. So once you open up the Word document, which again is the business plan template itself, you'll be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to get rid of this wording right here. They are going to then paste their company logo and right here, and then they'll leave the business plan and they'll call it a day for the title page. The next section is going to be the table of contents. Once you add all of your information to the business plan template, you do want to come back to the table of contents, click on it, click on the update table, click on the update entire table, click on OK, and all of your headers will update as well as all of your page numbers. For page number 3, this is your executive summary section. In the executive summary, I give you a real good starting point for the home healthcare agency summary, your target market, your financial highlights, your funding request. For the financial highlights, you do need to update the financial model, put your numbers in there. And once you do that, go to the projections tab, and then you'll be able to extrapolate the important highlights for your financials. For the company description, I give you a great starting point for your home healthcare agency summary. Anywhere in yellow where you see the yellow highlight, I recommend you put your information in there. Then it gives you a services offered segment, good starting point there. And then also you have a competitive advantage section you can update, primary target market section, good starting point for your pricing strategy, hours of operation segment, location with an area that you can go ahead and update for your description of your location as well. And then in a business objectives and timeline section where you can tell the reader where you think you're going to be in 3 months and 6 months and a year. In the page 6, the industry analysis, what I do is I have a subscription to IBIS World. IBIS World, in my opinion, is an industry leader in industry research. So what I do is I grab the report for the home care providers in the U.S. industry, and then what I do is I'll extrapolate important statistics from there, put it into the business plan template, and cite it accordingly. And then you're all set with your industry research. And right down here is the footer showing a citation for the information gained. Page 7, we've got our SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You just click on the smart art, and you're able to make the changes as you see fit. For the organizational structure, it's broken into 2 components or segments, which is going to be your ownership segment and then your organizational chart. Again, update this information as needed. For the marketing section, I give you 3 marketing channels, which is going to be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Again, give you a real good start for each one of them, and just use it as a foundation and take off from here. And now we're up to our funding request. This right here is where you're going to put how much money you need to get this party started or for your expansion. This is the term you're expected for your loan, interest rate expected, and some other pertinent information related to funding in this section. For the financial projections, all your financial projections will come from the financial model. You put your own information into the financial model, and I'll show you, I'll briefly show you that financial model in just a minute. But once you enter that information, the profit and loss statement for the next 12 months, which is broken up monthly as well as quarterly, that'll be updated, and then your income statement will be updated as well. And all you have to do then is just copy and paste the financial statements from the financial model into the Word document, and you're all set. So the statements you're going to update included is going to be your profit and loss year 1, and that ranges from month 1 to month 3, quarter 1. And then we have month 4 through 6, quarter 2. 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then finally we have our pro forma income statement, which is just our revenues, our expenses, and net profits for the next 5 years broken up annually. And again, in order to get this information, you do need to go to your financial model, and the financial model is going to be right here. Again, it is in Excel, and once you open it up, you're going to go to the information page. And on this page, you're going to update anywhere you see where these darker color cells are right here. This is the information that you can go ahead and update. Once you update that information, it'll automatically update your projections tab, which is just a summary of your financials. It'll also update your profit and loss statement, which is your monthly revenues, expenses, and net profits for the next 12 months, broken up monthly. And it'll also update your pro forma income statement, which is your revenues, your expenses, and your net income, broken up annually for the next 5 years. And once you're done updating your information page, you're just going to go ahead and copy each one of the financial statements. You'll copy it and paste it into the Word document. Now on the information page, there are segments that you can update. You can update your daily sales right here. You can update your labor right here. Your startup cost you can update here. Monthly fixed costs can be updated right here. Miscellaneous information here, your growth rates for revenues here, and for cost here, and then your loan information here. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.